millennials, are student loans holding you back from buying your first home? I can help. I'm Marcy and I help millennials get mortgages. Today, let's tackle how your student loans are impacting your home buying plans. Let's be honest, in today's world, it is totally unrealistic for lenders to expect people to be 100% debt-free. So here's what they'll look for. Debt-to-income ratio. Your ratio describes how much of your monthly income goes towards paying off your student loan debt. You may have a harder time getting a mortgage if you have a higher ratio. How do you figure out your debt-to-income ratio? Glad you asked. Head over to the debt-to-income calculator linked in the caption. It'll break down what to include and give you an overview of where your ratio is at. What ratio is your lender looking for? Lenders care less about the dollar amount of debt that you have and more about how that debt compares to your total income. You can still buy a home with student debt if you have a solid, reliable income and a handle on your payments. Focus on paying down your student loans. Even a little bit at a time makes a huge difference. You'd be surprised how quickly it adds up and impacts your ratio. Ready to learn more? Awesome. I would love to help you get a crystal clear picture of what you'll qualify for or what you'll need to work on to get into a new home. Comment below or shoot me a message to get started. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.